Hi everybody, Ed Campbell from Rose Paving. I hope you are safe and healthy. We'll tell you what's going on at Rose Paving. A lot of our customers have asked us. This is not a sales video or a promotion video by any means, but I wanted to inform you about what's going on at Rose Paving. I'm going to pass this off to Jose Valdez and tell you what's going on at the corporate office, but before I do so, I do want to offer you an opportunity to call me or email me if you have any questions about COVID-19. Unfortunately, my son, who was 21, studying abroad, came back and was diagnosed and the fifth patient with COVID-19 about 5 weeks ago. He was the fifth patient in Illinois. We were quarantined for 17 days as a family. Nobody else in the family got it. Social distancing does work. I saw all of his symptoms and everything that he went through. I'm not a doctor, but if you have questions or you know somebody that has COVID-19 and you want to get a hold of me, I am happy to help you. Either your family member, friend, or a fellow coworker. I've been through it. I've seen it. I'm happy to help in any possible way. I'm going to lift up a sign here with all my contact information. Feel free to give me a call or email me anytime or a text. I'm happy to give you a 5-minute kind of recap and then what to expect and how to get through this. Stay safe, healthy. There's going to be light at the end of the tunnel.
Hello everyone, my name is Jose Valdez. I am the Director of Field Operations for Rose Paving. I want to give a quick update on our crew members. First, I want to thank them for all their efforts during this difficult time and to let everyone know that all our crews across all satellites are currently hard at work and staying busy. We put preventive measures in place to make sure that they are staying safe and healthy. Thank you, and I hope to see everybody back soon.
Hello, Dave Rivers here, Vice President, reporting on the Chicago Division efforts during COVID-19 / social distancing, self-quarantine. Most of the office staff is not here, as evidenced by the dark offices, but those that are here are safe and wearing masks, plenty of hand sanitizer, washing hands constantly. Our crews are out and busy in the field. It's actually a good time to be completing work due to the lack of people out and vacant parking lots. So we're keeping busy, but they are wearing proper safety equipment, masks, gloves, and practicing social distancing as possible. So hope everybody's staying safe and clean.
Hi everyone, my name is James Wang, the Director of Operations for Rose Paving here in Denver. I just wanted to reach out to let everyone know that we're rocking and rolling. We currently have asphalt and concrete service lines running, and we're anticipating on starting the seal coat service lines on May 3rd. Hope everyone's doing well. Speak to you guys soon.
Hi, I'm Trish Vanderpool, the Director of Sales for California. Just wanting to give you a quick update on our SoCal offices. Our office staff has been working from home. As you can see, that's where I'm working today. We've still been taking emails, phone calls. Account executives have still been conducting site visits and putting together proposals. As far as our crews, asphalt, concrete, and infrared have been actively working. And as our weather has just started to warm up, we're kicking off our seal coat crews as well. We've been practicing social distancing and wearing the recommended personal protective equipment such as masks and gloves, and ultimately just trying to stay safe out there while continuing to work. We're still here if you need us. Give us a call.
Welcome to Rose Paving Phoenix. I'm the General Manager, Mike Dickens. I wanted to let our important customer base know that we're here for the long haul and have taken every precaution to keep our staff and your job sites safe. We've implemented safety measures such as social distancing, sanitizing daily, and all of these things are sustainable. That's the important part. We will be here long after any pandemic has passed. So thank you for your business, and we will see you soon.
Corey Mix here, the Director of Operations for our Nashville Division. Hope all of you are well and safe during this pandemic. Thankfully, everybody here at our Nashville office has been safe, healthy, working diligently on completing all the tasks that we have assigned for them. We've got to attribute this to some of the steps that we've taken, the safety precautions, and due to the culture we have here. One of the steps that we've kind of gone through is making sure, based as you can see here, having chemicals we need to clean vehicles every morning and every afternoon prior to them coming here or leaving our site. As far as workload, right now all of our service lines are booked out for about 3.5 to 4 weeks. Crew guys are putting in 40 plus hours. Again, we're all safe, healthy, happy, and sky's the limit here for us here in Nashville. If you ever need anything from me, feel free to give us a call. Take care.
Hey folks, John Sands here, Sales Director at Rose Paving in Atlanta. Wanted to give you a quick update on the Atlanta office. As you can hear today, it's after 5 and it's pretty quiet. That's typical most days, even during business hours, Monday through Friday. Generally, you'll find only a couple people here in the office. Most folks are working from home. Those that do come in every day, superintendent being one that's here daily, they're always wearing protective gear, whether it be masks or gloves. Same with crew when they come in the morning, also practicing social distancing, staying 6 feet apart or more, as well as when they're on projects, knocking out your maintenance needs. Our sales team and our operations team are working from their home office when they're not in your parking lots. When they are in your parking lots, they are also practicing social distancing and are equipped with gloves and masks. So we are working here in Atlanta. We are considered essential business. If there's anything that we can do for you and your facilities during this crisis, we're here to help. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Todd Stanislaus. I'm the sales director for Rose Paving Tampa division. I just wanted to take a minute during the pandemic to let you know that our customers come first. Your safety and us taking care of you is our main priority. Our crews are working. They are out wearing all the safety gear, taking care of all precautions. I have a team of account executives waiting to come out and service your needs, take a look at your property, so please feel free to give us a call. And most importantly, be safe and be careful.
Hello there. My name is Jaron Srain. I'm the Director of National Sales at Rose Paving. Wanted to provide everyone a quick update on the national division and how we're all coping with everything that's going around us with COVID-19. As you can tell, I'm coming at you from my house, and our entire team is doing the same. All of us across the country are working remotely as we help slow the spread of COVID-19 and get us back to normal here. You know, with that said, we are fully operational from a crew and work standpoint. We're doing work every day. We're taking the necessary safety precautions as needed when we are on site. So if there's anything that we can assist with, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm sure I speak for our entire team when I say I wish everyone health, and we'll get through this together. Thanks.
Coronavirus got you down, Daddy? Yeah, we all got them blues. But we here at Rose Paving, we're working hard to protect your properties. You got potholes? We're gonna fill them good, Daddy. You need seal coating? Shh, we got you covered. So stay safe, stay 6 feet apart, and know that we're here for you.